Hi foodies, I'm just taking you through a quick video of my breakfast that I made this morning. I already have a video for Callaloo and Saltfish on the channel, so this is just a quick glance at what I did this morning. Here goes. So I boiled the saltfish to get rid of the excess salt, but not all the salt. You still want some for flavor. Then I flaked it. There aren't any bones this time, okay? And then of course this is a callaloo that I diced and washed. And then I'm just cutting up some veggies, just to give that callaloo and saltfish lots of flavor. Along with the saltfish and callaloo, I'm going to be doing some boiled food, as we say in Jamaica. So I have some yellow yam right here. All I need to do is just peel this, add it to the water. And then, of course, this is the dough for the dumpling. It's flour, water, salt, and a little cornmeal. I already have a video on the channel for boiled dumplings. So this is just a quick look at what I did. And of course, there's many ways to shape that dumpling. Usually I give you guys just a peek at, different ways. You can pinch it, you can fold it, many ways. So this is a pot with everything boiling together. This is the yam, dumpling, pumpkin, and green bananas. To cook the saltfish and callaloo, I'm using some coconut oil today. You can use whatever oil you like, okay? So adding the coconut oil, then I'm going to be sauteing the veggies, okay? I'm adding some minced garlic here. You can add diced garlic if you prefer. So I added the tomato off camera, and then here comes the saltfish. This was boiled and flaked. For extra flavor, I'm gonna add a green seasoning cube. This is just green seasoning that I freeze. And then here comes the callaloo. After giving the callaloo a little stir, I add some thyme. Then I go in with some all-purpose seasoning, just a little. Remember that the saltfish has lots of flavor on its own. You can add your black pepper, your scotch bonnet, cover this up and let it steam down, and then fry the plantains. That's it, breakfast is good to go. Hopefully this inspires you to make some saltfish and callaloo this weekend. Thanks for watching, see you next time.